Frank.
I saw this on the internet. I doubt I can do it. But you know what? It worth a try.
So Frank, what's the trick?
Watch it on the internet and try to see if you can do it. There's little.
Apparently didn't have a key to the garage.
Like watching paint dry? I didn't even know what I'm doing. I'm just messing with it. We might have to go watch the locksmith YouTube video again.
Maybe. Taking the glass out?
Thought I'd look into it anyway. Let's try if I can do it without breaking it. We need the crowbars and stuff. Flat bars.
Well, on TV, don't they just use a credit card?
Well, if we were unscrupulous, we'd just break the window.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think I'd like to figure out how to get in the house, in the garage.
Do you want me to go get a crowbar?
No, I don't want to break it. Well, I guess we could just saw the doorknob off.
Yeah. I mean, we're gonna put a different.
Not a bad idea.
I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna. All right, Frank. What are you unpacking for?
I'm trying to find this one. I'm gonna put a metal cutting blade on it and cut off the.
That is a handy dandy pack of little blades you got going there, babe.
Amazon. Go to our Amazon affiliate link. Kidding. Plastic, soft metal. I think we're gonna have to go with the soft metal one. Alright.
Since we're gonna replace the doorknob anyway.
Our Black & Decker matrix tool hopefully fits this. Because it's supposed to. But don't look like it. It's for my other one. It's for my rockler.
Okay, so it doesn't fit that one?
No. It might.
Well, give her a whirl.
Well, it's kind of stuck on there, so.
Oh, well. All right.
Try that and see what happens.
Okay. Hang on, let me come on the other side.
chewing it up. But I bet we can break it up with a hammer.
Okay, Frank went to go and look for the hammers. However, what does he see but two right there?
Yeah.
Found him.
That's the way to get in. Or reuse it, maybe.
You're gonna reuse it.
Did I make you chuckle, baby?
Yeah, I did. So you need a screwdriver or?
No. Just need to knock that out. And then turn it.
Okay, I'm gonna. There we go.
Did you ask if I need a screwdriver?
Yes, I did.
I meant to say yes.
All right.
No, I need this. This will work.
Hey everybody! Thanks so much for watching our DIY lock picking skills today on Frank and Carrie's Adventures. Until next time.